Dear students, today I am going to start exercise 6.2, A part. It is given check for equivalence. First is given 21 upon 49. You see 21 upon 49 can be simplified. Divide both by 7. 7 3 ja 21, 7 7 ja 49. So 3 by 7. You got 3 by 7, and second is given 3 by 7. So both are equal. So you will write yes. Okay. Now second part is 14 upon 63. 14 and 63 also can be divided by 7. 7 2 ja 14, 7 7 9 ja 63. So 2 by 9. It is 2 by 9, and second is also given 2 by 9. So answer is yes. Okay. Now third, 5 by 11 and 25 by 50. 25 by 50, you see 5 can divide both. 5 5 ja 25, 5 10 ja. So it is 5 by 10 and this is 5 by 11. So both are not equal. So you will write no. Okay. Fourth part now, it is given 7 by 13 and 35 by 63. 35 and 63 both can be divided by 7. 7 5 ja 7 5 ja 35, 7 9 ja 63. So 5 by 9. 5 by 9. It is 5 by 9 and this one is 7 by 13. Both are not equal. This is not equal to this. So you will write no. Okay. Similarly, fifth part, 3 by 8 and 18 by 48. So 18 by 48 can be simplified. Both can be divided by 6. 6 3 ja 18, 6 8 ja 48. So 3 by 8. It is 3 by 8. This is also 3 by 8. So both are equal. So answer will be yes. Okay. In the same way you can do other parts also. So other parts are your homework. Now B part. In B part, question number 1, 2 by 5 equal to, you see it is given 10. This denominator is given 10. So 5 2 ja 10. So here also 2 2 ja 4. 5 2 ja 10, 2 ja 10. So 2 2 ja 4. It will be 4 here. Okay. You have to fill this. Second part, 8 by 24. 8 by 24. 8 1 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. So 1 by 3. Third part, 2 by 7. You see 2 by 7 equal to, this is blank space is given here, and it is given 7 4 ja 28. So here also 2 4 ja 8. So you will write 8 here. Okay. Fourth part, 2 by 3. You see 2 by 3. It is given 9 here. 3 3 ja 9. So 2 3 ja 6. So it will be 6 here. Okay. 6. You will write 6. Fifth part, 3 by 5 equal to 30 upon 50. You see 5 10 ja 50. So 3 10 ja 30. So it will be 30 upon 50. 50 you will write in the blank space. Okay. So this is exercise 6.2. So dear students, you try to go through all these questions and prepare it well. Okay. Then next we will start exercise 6.3. Okay. Thank you. May God bless you all.